caution's out.
And there goes Ryan Reed spinning to bring out the caution for the 8th time tonight. It happened right by Christopher Bell, and he's got damage.
He got into the outside wall. Look at all the damage to that, to our leader.
Oh my, we're going to have to go back and see exactly what happened.
Huge disappointment for Christopher Bell. He was doing a great job doing what he needed to do with that race car to keep it out front.
See some damage on the 48, left front tire down on Brennan Poole. 48 made contact with the 16 of Reed, and the 48 came away from the 16, caught Christopher Bell in that right rear corner.
Such a tough break for Christopher Bell. He was definitely an innocent bystander on that one. You see the 48 get just a little bit loose. Probably didn't know that the 16 was coming with that much of a run to the outside of him right there.
You know, a decent amount of damage for Ryan Reed, but a great save. And as we look at the scoreboard here, he's still on the lead lap in 7th. We know he's got a set of tires. This is on board with Brennan Poole.
Inside 20, inside 4. Watch out.
Amazing job by Ross Chastain, the 4, to avoid that.